Good evening, folks. I would like to show you a slight variation on the tried and true egg pattern, and the method is out there. There are worlds of videos about doing eggs on YouTube. This one is more focusing on doing it with a slightly different material. Now, to begin with, we're going to start out with a curved hook, and we're going to thread that hook. I'm using red as my contrast. I'm going to snip off the tag. And what I'm going to use to make the egg is taking the Scrub It material found at various craft stores and taking the core out. Once you pull the center out, you're left with that is the outside and that is the inside. And both can be used for various things. Actually, both can be used for different variations of egg patterns. But today we're going to focus on the center. We're going to take that material and we're going to tie it in around the hook that we threaded. And I'm tying this on a size 16. Now once we have tied it in, a couple wraps around the clump to put it together. We're going to tie off at that point. We're going to snip our thread free. We're done with that. We're going to pull up the material about a hook gap, make a straight cut, and then start massaging it around to get our ball shape. And very simply, we wind up with an egg pattern. Now, this is a very simple technique. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.